I can tell? Who else am I gonna tell?
When you're gonna shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to
Excuse me?
respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Well, I
If you want
certainly
respect,
can,
you gotta respect
and I
me
can make
too.
you shut up. Watch, here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
There's nothing I can do with any of the information you just spewed at me.
Aren't you a judge? You can
Yeah,
call
but
the
I'm not in
FBI.
charge of the Wayne County Jail.
Huh?
That's because you're talking over me. Hey, could I get Attorney Nasser in? Yep, thanks. So I've got a report in here that's dated August 25.
You're what?
A report that's dated August 25.
That's from some independent person that they,
Okay,
it's
that's-
just some random person that sent them. Okay.
Yes, that is our first discussion.
Morning, counsel. Good. So first of all, your appearance for Mr. Hackney,
Yes.
who we don't have live or on Zoom.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor, to your staff. Please, most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P7448. I'm appearing on behalf of the Hackney and ask to waive his appearance for this review.
Sure. All right. So for the record, this is just a review because we were waiting for a report from the Forensic Center, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
However, Judge, just for the record to be clear, I did speak to Mr. Lawrence. We're waiving the competency component, criminal responsibilities, certainly a circuit court matter. I know the system, I've been trying to see that, the system's down, so I don't
Right.
know. It's just.
It's a mess. It's a mess.
The fact is, I don't know, I've never had anything like this before. What I'd like to do, Judge, if this court would be so kind, is just set an exam, we're ready to go, and we'll
Yeah.
do a competency.
Yeah. Just to confirm,
Responsibility.
right.
But
The competency was at your request, though. The competency.
competency was originally at our request, correct?
Right. Okay. Then you can withdraw your request then.
I'm trying to request.
Okay.
Simon, the system was actually up as well.
Okay. Yeah. I just want to make sure it wasn't the people's request because obviously you can't waive that.
So,
All right, so exam date. November 13th or November 20th?
November, is that the student state tour?
Yeah, for me, and I got to keep it on my docket.
November 13th works then.
And I can give you a little bit of choice on time. 1 o'clock, from 1 to 2, we got time slots, so you want to go earlier or later. Not that an hour makes a big difference.
Can be done in the morning, Judge?
No, that's when I do my PCCs and the misdemeanor stuff.
Okay, that's. Okay, 1 o'clock then.
Okay, we got you on though.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one. Man, that's a nice cologne he's wearing. I can catch it up here.
Can you go double check with Gary Martin? Or no, forget it, Jeff, forget, it's not on yet. That date and time is November 13th at 1 p.m. November 1 p.m. Thank you.
That might be insane. I'm just thinking about that. Because that exam will take a while.
Well, I can just wipe off the afternoon. We can just, that can be just the only one we have, because we only have 3 time slots anyways. I mean, we have the whole November
You know what,
20th day.
We gotta check with the prosecutor.
All right.
Yeah. Cause I'm thinking maybe, go see if Nasser's still out there.
Okay.
I'm thinking maybe we should pick a supper date and have, not a Wednesday. Well, he'll have it. Nasser will have it. Do you have his number, Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
You have Lawrence's phone number handy?
I think.
I just dawned on me, we better check with him date availability, and we probably don't want to give you one of our Wednesdays, because this is gonna take a while.
It's good. Well, I mean,
A couple hours?
I would say about an hour and a half to 2 hours.
So that takes up
Yeah.
all of our.
So let's see if we can't get you on a non-Wednesday, so I can still do my felony Wednesday.
Okay.
And then we might even be able to get you in here early.
Great.
What days are you good though?
Is there
It
such a
depends.
thing?
It's on your availability. I'm kind
Well,
of.
I have Tuesday, October 29th, or we can have Halloween. So let me, are you calling him?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
I mean, I can give you. the-
Council, just step up. Yeah, just step up. And then you get Lawrence on the phone and the three of you just pick a date.
Not available.
Is it the 313-224 number?
No, that's his office.
Oh.
Council, I love that cologne you wear. Very nice. Joe always smells bad. So,
Bring himself.
The jail. You don't have time for that, do you?
Who's
Orange
that?
County Jail.
No.
On the 29th, Judge, I have a federal motion hearing with the guy that's in custody as well. It's definitely gonna go.
Yeah, so he's not answering.
So why don't we do this, Judge?
just let's just to be determined.
To be determined, yeah,
You and Mr. Lawrence get her on the horn.
we will.
We'll find a day where we can get a couple hours and
And it
sooner
doesn't
sooner
have-
rather than later. I'd rather it not be, well, at least not one of my felony Wednesdays, because then I can't schedule anything else for that 2 hour block.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you.
Like I said, that might get you in before November.
Perfect.
Crystal, do you need to speak to the privacy?
Hi, good morning. If I could very briefly, I think we're pretty much all set. I think we were just gonna adjourn the PCC, so I don't know if you already have dates. That's the only thing she and I would need to discuss. We're trying to work this out.
Oh, yeah, we can do, it's any Wednesday.
Okay, perfect. So yes, if I could speak with her very briefly, and good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Okay, let me put you guys in a breakout room.
Thanks a lot, and I'm sorry about that, because
Morning, Council.
Morning, good morning.
Wonderful. Michelle, you got anything ready? Or
It's.
who is Marianne? Are you doing it all?
Marian's.
Marianne, you ready?
And Alice Kennard is ready.
Mr. Ellis Kennard.
Alice Kennard.
Good morning, Mr. Burkett.
How are you this morning?
Wonderful.
Good.
We got your client on Zoom somewhere, Mr. Kennard?
Yes. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear
Good
you.
morning, sir.
Yeah.
Council,
Good
your
morning.
appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Not you. Zoom, sorry. Bad timing. Bad time. Mr. Burkett, go ahead.
Yeah.
Your appearance for Mr. Kennard, please.
First of all, good morning, Judge Oakley. And for the record, Raymond. Yes. Mr. Kennard, will you acknowledge yourself to the
Yeah, Ellis Kennard.
Thank you. And Mr. Burkett, what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I've already spoken with the prosecutor, and we're asking this honorable court to adjourn this. We're trying to work out something here, and it's going to take us a little bit of time. And because I have I've been involved in a real bad accident, and
Oh,
I'm asking
sorry to hear
over
that.
for a pretty good. Oh yeah, they got me in a wheelchair now. Can you believe that?
Oh, boy, good luck.
I got totaled by a tractor trailer. But
Oh,
anyway,
boy.
I'll put
You're
this on
lucky to be with us.
keep it on your docket. Thank you. And both the prosecutor and I, after we talked, we were keeping on your docket. And we was gonna ask you, do you think putting this over to December would be too long?
I'm having trouble with your audio. How
Beg your
far
pardon?
out do you want to go for the adjourn date?
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
I said, I'm having trouble with your audio. You want to adjourn it out how far?
To sometime, I would like to do it sometime in December.
Do we have any December dates?
I can give you one.
Stand by.
Which December looks good. I mean, I can have him all, whatever day he wants.
Well, we got it. Did you say you're trying to keep it on my docket for some reason?
Yes, because you're everybody's favorite judge.
Well, I understand I'm yours. I don't know about everybody.
Mine too.
And the prosecutor wants to keep it on your docket too.
December dates?
I have December, we're gonna do December 23rd. It's a Monday.
How about the 23rd? That's a Monday.
That's fine.
What time, Heather?
We'll do 8:45.
8:45. Mr. Kennard, you want to spend Christmas Monday with me? 8:45, December 23rd. You available?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I will continue bond. Anything else, Mr. Burkett?
All right, thank you.
All right, good luck. Get back on your feet.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, hold on just a minute, counsel. Mr. Kennard, you know you got a court date coming up on an arraignment pretrial on November 7th? That looks like a misdemeanor trespass. Do you know about that one?
No.
Okay,
No, Your
well,
Honor.
now you do. November 7th. These are two misdemeanors coming out of Romulus dated 2024. November 7th. That's in my courtroom, so that's live, 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day, gentlemen. Now, counsel, I'm ready for you. What file?
Nehemiah Parker.
Parker, appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Niederdeck for the people, P 84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Macro, two appeal number 86012 on behalf of Mr. Parker, today to my left, and please state your name, last name, for the rest.
Nehemiah Parker.
Good morning, Mr. Parker. And what are we doing today, people?
Your Honor, I believe that defense is requesting that we set this matter for a final trial.
Correct, sir.
Final as in complainant to be present?
Correct.
All right. Pick a Wednesday.
2 weeks, sir. 2 weeks, Your Honor?
23rd.
Well,
How about 8:45? That work?
Perfect.
All right. Bond will be continued and it looks like, well, I've got Mr. Parker standing out there. Sir, it looks like you owe us some money on some civil infractions out of Van Buren Township last year. Impeding traffic, seatbelt, 414 is the total. Are you working now? Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan? Can you do that before you leave the building? All right. All right. Anything else from you folks?
No, Your Honor, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.
Enjoy your day. 8:45.
hold on, guys, so I need to get notice.
Kind of a slow day, hey, Joe?
That's a good thing, Your Honor.
Not when you got to stack this long.
Oh. But you know, the staff is true.
You guys got something?
Yeah.
Give me a name.
Joshua Patton.
Patton?
Mr. Patton is in custody on Zoom.
Gentlemen, your appearance is on the Patton file.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people, P867. And good morning, Judge Oakley, and to your staff, Lever Defender Service, Carrie Martin, P84592. I appear on behalf of Mr. Joshua Patton, who is in custody and appears in court by Zoom. Mr. Patton, if you can hear us, please state your name.
They have him.
I didn't see him.
Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear what's going on, Mr. Patton. There we go. Thank you. Gentlemen, go ahead.
Your Honor, this is before you today for a contested competency hearing. Present on Zoom, I also have Dr. Colin King, an independent expert psychologist hired by my office who did complete an evaluation of Mr. Patton that included a meeting with him and a review of mental health records. Dr. King is prepared to testify today. He's also prepared a report, which I provided to Prosecutor Mohammed.
Let me stop you. I understand that we've got another report coming from the forensic center.
That's my understanding too, which was that the forensic center evaluated him originally, I believe it was on June 27th, 2024. That was the date of the report, finding that there was insufficient information to rebut the presumption of competency. However, it sounds like the same evaluator from CFP, Dr. Yount, was going to meet with him again on September 24th. I believe that happened. Expecting a
My understanding is that they mailed the report and we just don't have it yet. Is that
We
Accurate?
are waiting for her to finish. We don't understand if she's gotta do a new one, because she's at a follow-up, or if she's done with hers and we're waiting for it. Correct.
But there's something coming from the forensic center.
It seems like there's something coming. Now, my position is that CFE has, at this point, ruled that he is competent. And, my expert has a different opinion, and that the purpose of today's contested hearing would be to flesh that out, and I'm prepared to move forward.
I'm not.
That's fine. That's fair.
I'm not gonna have the time invested today, because if the new report from forensics says he's not competent, then there's no hearing, I'm assuming, Mr. Prosecutor.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with, thanks to the doctor and apologies, we're gonna have to adjourn.
Okay.
So why don't we do this? Why don't you and the doctor and Heather have some conversation about when we can get back on the schedule?
That sounds.
Or if you want to, we'll wait until we see what that forensic report or forensic center report is before we even schedule.
Well,
I can put a control date on it.
A little fire under there.
I'm okay either way. I'll give you the option either way.
I'd like to figure out a date.
That's fine. That's fine. And we've also got, all right, we got 2 felony files, so those are tagging along.
Yes.
All right, we got 1 misdemeanor file. We're just gonna keep kicking that down.
Exactly.
Okay,
Listed.
okay. All right, so I'm gonna make a note that we're still waiting for a report, so we're gonna adjourn this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At 10:30. I'll just set.
Is that a
the whole-
Wednesday?
Yes, I'll do the whole 10:30 for you. Is that, how long do you think that would be? Only because it's missing.
Yeah, that's probably, yeah, it'll work. November, what was that, November what, 20? Yep.
Just for that hearing.
Thank you. And so that listed tested competency hearing still.
Correct.
And can I ask, what is the current bond is set by this court? I know he has another bond set by the probation judge.
Yeah.
Yours, okay.
Are they? Cause I'm looking at a note on one of these files, 10,000, 10% at some point.
On the left. There's a, yeah, that one's PR. It looks like it got changed. We changed it into personal.
Okay, okay.
Your bond's at home. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
It looks like, I'm seeing first as Vila,
Vila?
and then what's the thing?
Appearances on the People versus Edward or Cortez Villa.
Good morning, Your Honor. Grace Broughton appearing on behalf of the people, P80298.
And good morning, Your Honor. Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Mr. Cortez, P number 77211. Mr. Cortez, would you please turn on your video, unmute your mic, and state your name, sir?
Edward Cortez Villa.
Thank you. Ladies, what do we got going?
So, Your Honor, I think Ms. Broughton and I, APA Broughton and I, are in the process of potentially reaching a resolution in this matter or coming to some sort of game plan. I think she intends to reach out to her supervisors. We would be requesting an adjourned PCC date potentially for October 30th, Your Honor.
That is all correct, Your Honor.
All right, that date's available. I've got time slots between 9:15 and 10:30. Pick one.
Your Honor, 9:15 would be great. We would be requesting, however, if possible, to appear via Zoom. Again, Your Honor, we were looking through the Wednesdays of this month and next
Yep.
month, and it's, okay, thank you, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
that's
Appreciate
Judge
it.
Martin, so Zoom works.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bond is
Judge.
continued. Good luck.
Thank you, Ms. Medina.
Thank you, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You as well. Bye.
Yeah, Judge, let me know when you're done. I'll tell you on that.
Where do I find Cortez Villa on the docket?
You will find him at 8:45.
There it is. All right, what do you got?
On Peterson at 9 a.m.
Appearances for Peterson.
Things took me $7. Only 6 times. Date time set for pre-trial. I called the name outside. Verified clerk that Zoom meeting number. I have no amount of appearance.
All right, scheduled at 9. All right, he'll go on the bench warrant sack.
Thank you, Judge. You start that one later.
Yeah, if you hear from him, let us know.
Patterson.
File up here for you, Judge.
Jacob?
Yep.
Appearances on the People versus Jacob. Counsel, your appearance.
Morning, Your Honor, Paul Stavlin, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Jacob, standing by right. Your Honor, today's date time says conference. Hardly arranged, but I was indicated Mr. Davis can stand here and what has supported or not guilty and made it.
Done.
You. Bond judge that is put to personal bond to Jacob contact the as soon as he became aware of that.
What are we doing with the pretrial?
Trial conference judge, I did receive discovery at 2:00 this morning. I haven't had a chance yet.
Well, what have you been doing, you slacker?
I didn't. I still.
So you need a new date.
I need another. Pre-trial.
How far out you want to go?
30 days, judge. What's available?
Let's see. November 6th, November 13th.
November 6th would be great, judge.
Okay. That'll be with Judge Martin. So that'll be Zoom anywhere between 8:45 and 10:30. I can give you a date or a time.
45.
8:45?
Zoom.
Yep. Excuse me, November 6th. All right. All right. Now we'll talk about bond. Any reason I should not give Mr. Jacob a personal bond?
No, Your Honor.
You sure?
See, he is, as soon as he was made aware of the fact that these charges were issued, I filed an appearance with the court. Court had already set this date.
Mhm.
Then himself, it's
Okay. All right. So November 6th, 8:45, we'll get you a paper notice. Your bond condition, the obvious one is stay out of trouble. The second one is pretty obvious, is show up on Zoom for the court date. And the third one is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script for the substance. You understand those terms, sir? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? You screw up, you're going to jail until you can come up with $1,000. Any questions? Just have a seat. We'll get you notice. Thank you, counsel.
Mr. Hadley, who do you have?
ready to go on Jordan Lane.
All right, I got the file. Your appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Abbott, appearing on behalf of Jordan Lane, who's sitting to my right today. Lane, please state your name, Your Jordan Lane.
Good morning.
I have the docket set as an arraignment pre-trial. Looking at the register of actions, it looks like Mr. Lane was previously arraigned.
Looks like it.
Register of actions also indicates that previously, two complainants who stand with me today at the podium as well appeared to be assumed, stated their wishes to not pursue the case. After pre-trying this matter with the people have asked that I volunteer the two complainants to lay a record that that's their knowing and informed decision forward. And
okay.
At the conclusion of such, I will be motioning to have the matter.
Okay. All right. You two, raise your right hands. Excuse me. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth today. Ma'am, would you identify yourself? Sir? Thank you.
Mr. Roberts, are you two named complainants in this matter, with, Mr. Jordan? And have you previously appeared on this case, via Zoom?
Yes, sir.
And at that hearing, did you voice it?
Yes, sir.
And here in court today under oath, is it still your wish and desires to not pursue, prosecution or the allegations?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I believe that the one here to satisfy the people has been met here, accordingly, unless there's objection from the people, which.
And given the fact that he just walked into the hallway, I'm assuming there isn't.
No, there's not. He's gonna take me as a court officer. If I
Right.
listen, if I did it, I would ask that the matter be dismissed based on the people's statements.
Okay, dismissed. This is dismissed without prejudice, which means the prosecutor could recharge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I can see the head nods, but they don't record very well. You understand that as well? Yeah. Okay. But as a parent, I've got to ask, what's going on? What kind of help do you need that we might be able to help you with?
You got,
And you don't have to talk if you don't want to, but I won't sleep tonight if I don't ask.
children's, children get some help.
Good. Where at? What's the program? Where's that? Okay. Okay. So is he seeing somebody on a regular basis? So the plan is he will be seeing somebody on a regular basis. Okay. Does he live with you folks? Okay. All right. And hear my heart as a father and a grandfather. My heart breaks for you because I can only imagine what you're going through, but nobody should have to live with violence in their home. Okay. And when I said, what can we help with? I meant that. All right. So I've worked with him for a long time. I'm assuming you've got his phone number. Okay. If you're having problems, you come see me, tell him what's going on. There are a lot of resources that I have access to. I'm not saying I've got the magic pill for you, but I'll do what I can to help get the resources that your family needs. Okay. All right. And you got to work the program. All right. Work the program. Even when it hurts, because if it doesn't hurt, it's probably not a good program. I don't mean physical pain. You know what I mean. All right. Good luck to y'all. You're welcome. Counsel, you got something ready?
Mr. Hardison's case.
Hardison? Yeah. Why don't you put your appearance on the record while I look for a file?
All right. Jack Duhan, NDF Detroit, P number 84871.
Do we have Mr. Hardison?
Yes, he's in the lobby.
Do we need him in here?
I don't believe so.
All right, what are we gonna do?
So, Your Honor, the only question, our office only takes felony cases and there's a handful of pursuits that appear to be related.
There's a bunch of misdemeanors that we've got on him, but I don't know that they're related because they're from 2020, 2021.
So they're different.
They're all
So
different.
make sure you get counsel on it.
Yeah, they're all different dates. All you gotta do is ask.
Okay.
Just loans.
They're just money?
He's
Oh, yeah, yeah.
already plus, he had it. Everything is just.
He just owes money.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now, excuse me, right now he owes us $2,600 plus.
Okay.
Is he working?
We only talked about the case. That sounds.
You know what? I'll deal with him. I'll deal with it. So what are we doing on your file?
On my file.
Hardesty? Come on up. Go ahead. What are we doing on this one?
On my case, the prosecutors indicated they sent me all the discovery. I got an email at 10 o'clock last night, so I'm ready to set that one for exam.
Okay. November 13 or November 20?
Okay. This one. Can we do November? November 20th.
Anywhere from 11 o'clock to 1:30. I got time slots.
Why don't we do 11 o'clock then?
11 a.m. All right. On that file, I'll continue bond. All right, Mr. Hardison, we're going to get you a paper notice for that court date. Now, you got a bunch of other stuff with us going back to 2020. You owe $2,660 and change. Are you working? 11 a.m. Yep. Are you working? Are you in a position to get some payments started on this?
Yes, sir.
All right, I want you to go downstairs before you leave the building, have something on paper. Have a plan.
I explained, I was on payment plan, but I broke my phone. I didn't know how to get back in contact. I had called the district and trying to.
I'm gonna be your huckleberry. I'm gonna take care of that today.
Yeah.
All right? Okay, before you leave the building, have something in work. All right, we'll see you guys back on the 20th.
Yeah. That'll be a paper.
Council, what do you got?
Oh, you're right. Two.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's good. Just getting your exercise. Give me another name, Council.
Phase, F-A-Z, F-A-Y-Z.
Them to get on.
Are they planning on logging in?
Well, it's not scheduled till 10. MDOC doesn't do till 10:05.
I didn't know if you log in at all. They're gonna log in.
They log in all the time. Yeah.
Okay. We can wait for that.
Okay.
And I also have a fuse stick, both on Zoom.
Dusick with a D?
G.
G?
I don't show him. He hasn't checked in.
Okay, then I'll take a second, try to call it.
Okay.
One part for Mr. Johnson. Johnson is the last name. Leon Johnson.
Yes, Madam Clerk.
Council, your appearance for Neon Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, I am Terrell Lockhart, PA 6077, on behalf of the defendant who is present via Zoom. We consent to this matter being heard via Zoom. Mr. Johnson, please state your full name for the record.
Eon Tarani Johnson.
Thank you, sir. Council, what are we gonna do?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor. He stipulated to adjourn this matter for 3 weeks to allow time for the defense to refute discovery.
Yeah.
So a 3 week
All right,
adjournment.
that's gonna be October 30 then.
Okay, that works, Your Honor.
How about, this is gonna be by Zoom. What, you want to do it at 8:30 because he's in custody?
He's in treatment, so.
Okay.
9.
Yeah. How about 9:15, Council?
That works, Your Honor.
All right, that is
well,
with
thank you.
Judge Martin, so that's on Zoom.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Continue bond on this file?
Please, yes.
All right. Mr. Johnson, where are you at right now? What's the name of the treatment center?
I'm in Elmhurst, Your Honor.
Great. How long you been there?
Just a day or two. I was supposed to be here a week ago, actually a week and a half ago, but the county jail had a glitch or a cyber.
Oh, boy, that's the understatement of the century right there. They got more than a glitch going on.
Yeah.
All right. So how long, what's the program? How long is it?
Well, I asked to be here. I haven't did the all initial intake yet, but I asked to be here. So
all right. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
So do I use,
right.
excuse me, Your Honor, do I use the same telephone number, Zoom number?
No,
Yes,
it'll
we'll
be a
be in
different
contact.
number.
Okay.
I'll have the number and we'll be in contact, sir. I'll get the number.
Thank you, John.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. All right.
We going live now?
Yes, Mr. Deputy, what please?
Deputy Provence, what do you need?
You're done with Patton, correct?
Correct.
Okay, I got Mario Jones on camera now, and Alicia Kozub and Alexandria Weed on deck.
We got an attorney ready for Jones?
Jones, we're waiting for Mr. Dupan. I don't know if we need to speak to him.
Is the attorney live or Zoom?
Mr. Dupan was the young attorney that was just here a few minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, see if you can find him.
Yes, we've got.
Yeah, and you want me to get Julian back in here?
Yeah, tell him Jones is on camera.
Get on Zoom. Mr. Kennedy, are you here with Mr. Williams?
I've been taking classes, Ken Riggins.
You're picking up which ones?
Classes for Ken Riggins. He said he left some last thing.
Yes.
I've got more than one Williams. Give me a name. Garris.
They're downstairs with the phone already.
I'm like, maybe.
All right, I am ready on Williams. Counsel your parents.
Hey, this is Court Neighbor Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Knapp from P6. On behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, please state.
Good morning. What are we doing?
Your Honor, this morning I was speaking with Mr. Williams, and after our discussions, Mr. Williams wishes to ask the court for new counsel. He doesn't have faith in my
my representation of him, based on our conversation this morning, and based on his statements, I believe that there is an irreparable breakdown. So we'd ask to have our office removed and assign counsel, providing new counsel for Mr. Williams.
My answer is usually no to that. Because you have a right to court-appointed counsel, but you don't get to pick them unless you pay them. So I'm gonna put in I'll put in one more request and we'll see what happens downtown because I don't appoint. You understand that? I'm gonna warn you though, my experience has been that whatever you heard from him that you didn't like, you're probably gonna hear from the next attorney too. Because they all tend to come from the same kind of experiential background and legal knowledge. So just fair warning. Can we put that in?
So give at least 2 weeks, Judge, please, for the adjournment.
Let's go 3. That's going to be October 30. We'll do that at 9:45.
Thank you.
That's Zoom. You can do that one soon. Because it's just a PCC. All right, but don't leave. We're gonna get you a paper notice to that effect. Counsel, you got anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Enjoy your day.
Not on this.
I got you. No yawning, Joe.
Any courtroom, I got paperwork. Council, I'll have paperwork for you.
I'm not.
You don't need it. He just got fired, so he don't need a notice. We know what is going on with Attorney Foddy. Brown,
I'm sorry.
Attorney Foddy or Fody.
FOTI is the defendant. Oh, FOTI is the defendant who's on waiting for Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown lives in Hawaii. So we're just waiting for the attorney.
Lucky Mr. Foddy.
Huh?
Lucky Mr. Foddy. Yes.
And every time I speak to him.
Probably wouldn't want to pay his bills, but I understand it's an expensive place to live.
Oh, there's right now.
Is it Foddy or Fody? Do you know? Fody. Fody. Are you ready on that one, counsel?
No, not counsel. He's the defendant. He just looks.
Oh, okay. I'm looking at Attorney Brown.
Attorney Brown just signed on. Attorney Brown, did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
Briefly, please.
Okay. Thank you. Prosecutor. Who are those people? Who are all those? We would be well known as sentence.
Hey, you got a minute to go through your docket with me?
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Okay, go ahead.
Any of the 8 o'clock show up?
Merriman?
Merriman's here?
Yep.
Anybody else?
Nope.
How about 8:30? Boyd, Bradley, Gray?
Boyd, Bradley, Gray? Nope.
Guzik?
Nope.
All right, that's enough for now.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right.
We're supposed to be posting, but we're told that they're not, so. Yeah. We were happy.
Right. So what are we gonna do with those?
Well, they now have it all on pen and paper, so maybe they're finally, finally know. But this family member just chatted with me and said that her family is in custody, but I don't know if they have it spelled different. Mhm. That one is, let me see, I think David. Yep, David.
We will, you see, we're, both your cases already been dealt. Yeah, okay, no problem. I'm good, I'm here.
Yeah, cause I'm referring him. I'm like, you know, let them know that they don't need to stay, but you're gonna stay. We're just giving you educated. Oh, very good. Okay. Judge loves an audience, so you're good. Here. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
That's what I figured, but you give me a hard time.
Yes, I was.
I'm working on over the church, I'll have a condition like yourself
There you go.
one of these days.
All right.
I love work. I just want to get educated. That's what we get some. Yes.
Hey, have you seen Mariah down there today?
She's off today.
All right, so I think, oh, she is, she's at that conference, I forgot. You know what we need? We need you to talk to the before we end it, but what? Like circle back to the jail and just.
Well, that's why last week I didn't put him down for no show, okay? Mr. Gagniak is up there on actually Mr.
Appreciate it.
Martine Doss. But I just got nothing from his family that Martine Doss is in.
Yeah.
Hello.
Nick here, I'll interrupt. I
Yeah,
also have Boyd, I confirmed he's in also.
That's what I thought, and I requested, but they said that they can't find them on their log.
I'll follow whatever the lead is. He has got another case, so our plan, he's earning his credit right
How
now.
long do you get for this?
Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay, I'll start filming now. I'd never seen one.
How do you spell Goss? I don't have a.
Martine Doss.
Doss,
Yes,
Doss.
but it's Martine hyphen Doss.
Yeah. And council's ready on that one?
Yes, Mr. Gagniak?
I'm here. For some reason, my video won't turn on.
That's all right. Bad hair day, probably. Are you ready on Martine Doss?
Sure.
Do we have Martine Doss on screen? Oh, he's one of the missing. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
both
So
of
what do you
mine
want to do on
matter.
that one, council? Mr. Gagniak, what are we doing
Yes,
on
sir,
that
pardon
one?
me. I'll follow along, I guess. I'll make myself available the remainder of the day, but maybe ask to adjourn till next week.
Here's what I'm doing with all these. I'm just gonna set them in the no-show pile, and we're gonna do our best to confirm whether or not the jail found them before we do any bench warning. How's that?
Of course.
Thank you.
And then the same thing on, Boyd, B-O-Y-D.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
And he's the same attorney.
Got that, council? Boyd's in the same situation.
Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where Mr. No, he's nice. Hi, where's Mr. Doohan? Oh, yes, he was just in, with one of the defendants and then have a police minutes. The young old guy, oh. Josh, do you have anybody ready?
I gotta get Muhammad's signature.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I just went into his office and took one of these forms off his desk. Judge didn't see him before. I don't know if this thing's gonna use it.
I hate him because I'm not used to him.
Yeah, but it took me a second to kind of, it's like an advice of rights.
Yeah, it's
form all wrapped into one.
It's just change, and I don't like change.
I agree, I have, you know, even.
No.
Julian is here on Mr. Jones.
And Mr. Jones is on video?
He is on video. Mr. Jones, if you can answer them, I see Mr. Deputy. Thank you, Deputy.
You're welcome. Counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, everyone. Jack Fitzpatrick for Mr. Jones, NDS Detroit ID number 84871.
And good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mayor, for the people.
Mr. Jones, can you hear everybody all right?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Counsel, what are we doing?
Okay.
What do we got?
Your Honor, after speaking with the prosecutor, she's indicated she has sent digital discovery to our office. So based on that, I'm ready to set the case for exam.
Didn't I just set one for you? What day was that?
Yes, that was towards the end of November, since Mr. Jones is in jail.
That was November 20.
Better date.
I can get you in a week quicker.
Okay, I can do the 13th, Your Honor.
All right. And 1:15, 1:30, or 2?
Let's do 1 o'clock here.
All right, Mr. Jones, 1 p.m., November 13, exam date.
Your Honor, may I address bond while we're here?
You can. Hold on just a minute. Let's find out what it is.
I believe it's 10,000 cash.
I got 10,000 cash or surety, no contact with a GPS tether for curfew, 2:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. That's what I got on the file.
I have the same, Your Honor. I spoke with Mr. Jones briefly this morning. He's at risk of losing his job and his house. He said he could post $1,000 if the court switched it to a 10% or a personal, so he could get out. So I'd ask the court to consider lowering it so he could be out, especially if he'll be in.
Yeah. Where's you working at?
Where's your job at?
Target Steel, Gibraltar.
Target Steel?
Yes, Target Steel in Gibraltar.
How long you been with the company?
Been with the company 1.5 years.
Full-time job?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Ms. Mandernack?
Judge, I spoke to the complainant in this case, she indicated there has not been contact, I leave it to the court's discretion.
All right. All right, Mr. Jones, you understand no contact means no contact, no phone calls, no letters, no social media contact. She calls you and says she wants to meet for coffee. She doesn't change this order, only myself or somebody else in a black robe.
No contact.
Understand all that?
Yes.
All right. I'll change the bond from a 10,000 cash or surety to a 10,000 10% with the same conditions regarding GPS curfew and no contact. Clear? Counsel?
Excuse me.
The only change I'm making is instead of 10,000 cash or surety, it's 10,000 cash surety or 10%.
Yeah, the tether is gonna take 10 days or something like that because the system is down.
Oh, you know what? He's right.
Could you? Yeah.
That's like a no bond. Have there ever been any allegations of a violation of no contact?
No, Judge, but this case does involve firearms.
All right, let's do this. I'm going to drop the GPS condition at this time, Mr. Jones, but if there's an allegation, then you got problems. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no GPS, no contact stays. All right, good luck, Mr. Jones.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Jones, you've got, looks like you got a civil infraction from Romulus. Traffic control device, maybe it was a stop sign violation or something. Do you know about that one?
Yes, yes.
It looks like that thing went into default on October 7th. I'm assuming you've been in custody for a while.
Yes, I've been in
You
custody.
set that for a hearing? You just need time to pay? What do you want to do with that?
I can set that for.
If it's a stop sign violation, it's a 3-point offense, just so you know.
Okay. I didn't have time to set it up or nothing like that. I didn't
No,
have
no,
time.
no, I'm letting you do that right now. I'm waiving the 14-day thing because you were in custody, so I'm gonna act like it's a fresh ticket and give you your options.
Okay, what's my options? To pay it?
You can just say, I'm responsible, I'm gonna pay it, I'll need time. You can set it for a hearing if you want to contest the ticket.
Yeah, I need time to pay it because I don't have the cash for it right now. I need to take time to pay it.
It's $180. I'm just gonna set that up for a review date on November 20. So just remember to talk about that when you're here for your exam. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck.
Briefly.
Yep, that's fine.
Okay, the other one, we could probably call up Geisig though. if he's still
Guys,
here.
retained.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
to be retained, so that would take care of, sorry about that.
No, I was gonna come in.
You stay on Zoom and jump in the courtroom, or jump in, and then we'll hear the case.
Okay, perfect.
What are we doing?
Guys, exam 1120, that was one of, was they.
Took care of it without me.
Yes.
Right. And this file?
And Ms. Kosa, yes.
Okay. Ms. Kosa, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor, I would like to release my lawyer. I need a new one because he already violated my rights and my privacy by answering a phone call with my biological mother, who has done nothing but commit crimes against me, and he told her that he was my lawyer before I even knew he was my lawyer, and I don't want my lawyer communicating with one of my biggest predators and enemies who have been doing nothing but committing crimes against me, and I'm pretty sure she set this up as well. So he will not be my lawyer.
Okay, just so you understand, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney, but you don't get to pick the attorney unless you pay for the attorney. So I'm gonna put in for one request to see if they will appoint another attorney from downtown. I don't appoint the attorneys, that comes from downtown, understood?
Yes.
All right, so that will be adjourned for probably safe 3 weeks.
Well, no, the prosecutor wants it mid-November because she's off.
Okay, so that should, all right, so the
Your Honor,
prosecutor
can I say
wants,
something?
the prosecutor is asked to have this adjourned
Your
into
Honor.
mid-November, so that should be time for you to get a
Okay,
new
Your Honor,
attorney.
I was kidnapped. They came in a car that was not Belleville. They busted into my house. I have video evidence. They took the knife out of my room that had nothing on it. He did not have gloves on it. He did not have gloves on. He did not have an evidence bag. He took my phone that I hid. He took my purse. When I was leaving to come here in the new jail, do you know that we're in the new jail? You know there's an old jail and a new jail? Well, when they took me in the new jail, he told me, oh, I don't have any property. So they stole my purse, they stole my phone, they stole all my identification. Then they did not take me to a Belleville station, and they were not in Belleville cars. They didn't even take me to Sumter station, and they were not in Sumter cars. They took me to a place called Huron. And when I asked the cop, why am I here? He said, I don't know, I don't work here. So I've been kidnapped. I'm trying to call the FBI. I have no wristbands. They won't let me give me 2 free phone calls. They won't give me a tablet. They barely let me out. If I do anything wrong, they punish me in their own ways because no one's watching them. Since I got here, I've been screaming and asking and begging for a sergeant. No sergeant will come and talk to me. I just got sandals today. So many corrupt things are happening. Who do I report it to? No one will. I can't call the FBI. I've told every single person, not every person, I've told so many inmates, sheriffs, nurses, doctors, social workers. Will you please call the FBI? I've been kidnapped. This is not the first time. Will you please call the FBI? No one will call the FBI. And I know I don't get to choose my attorney, but I do have the right to have an attorney that does the legal thing and respects my rights and doesn't tell a predator and an enemy who's attacking me, don't answer their phone call. And you're not supposed to tell anyone you're my lawyer or any information about my case. This is what happened last time with Lauren Anderson. She communicated with my biological parents who were in the case. They made deals and were talking. They had their cell phone number. So this is just gonna keep going and going and going and going and going and going.
You done?
I am now, since you really don't want to hear the rest.
I didn't understand that. You're done now because what?
It doesn't sound like you want to hear the rest of the information and the truth and the facts.
There's nothing I can do with any of the information you just spewed at me.
Aren't you a judge? You can
Yeah,
call
but
the
I'm not in
FBI.
charge of the Wayne County Jail.
Huh? Excuse me, I'm sorry, I did not hear what you said.
That's because you're talking over me.
No, I wasn't talking when you said something about Wayne County Jail.
I am not in charge of the Wayne County Jail. It's called separation of powers. So you've asked for a new attorney. That takes time.
But I told you the cops kidnapped me. You can call the FBI and say, hey, you want to investigate and see if this is true? She's claiming to be kidnapped. And I've also been claiming to be sex trafficked. And I believe I'm being raped. And I believe that there are people in my house that I couldn't see. Even though I told the cops, hey, I think there's people here. And then they took me to a mental hospital saying, no, Alicia, you're manifesting this. There's no people here. Really, then why did I hear men's voices? And why are other people's mail being delivered at my house?
Let me know when I.
You're the only one I can tell. Who else am I gonna tell?
When you're gonna shut up long enough for me to respond, I'll be happy to respond.
Because you're a judge, you don't get to tell me to shut up.
Well, I certainly can, and I can make you shut up. Watch, here it goes.
You're live.
Here it comes.
I'll take it to the Supreme Court.
Can't imagine why you couldn't bond with that woman, Mr. Washington.
Yeah.
So who's your next client? Who do you need to talk to?
Yeah, either Mr. Bankhead, I see Mr. Bankhead, and then Mr. Folks. Either one, Judge.
I'll put you in with Mr. Bankhead.
I'm sorry, Marianne. Is there any way I could steal Mr. Washington before he goes?
Oh, yes, I think
Absolutely.
Ms. Mandernock wanted to speak to me before I spoke to Mr. Bankhead.
Okay.
Maybe if I can speak in a breakout with the prosecutor.
Probably want to let you know that he's not going to help.
In this intense courtroom moment, a defendant appears before the judge and immediately begins raising a series of serious allegations. She claims that law enforcement officers kidnapped her, stole her belongings, and violated her rights. Throughout the hearing, she repeatedly insists that someone contact the FBI to investigate her claims. As the judge attempts to explain the limits of his authority, the defendant continues speaking over him, refusing to let him finish. The judge calmly explains that he is not in charge of the county jail and cannot personally investigate the allegations she is describing. He also reminds her that different government agencies have different responsibilities under the law. The situation quickly becomes more heated when the defendant accuses her court-appointed attorney of violating her privacy and demands a new lawyer. The judge explains that while he can request a replacement attorney, she does not have the right to personally choose one unless she hires private counsel. Despite several attempts by the judge to address the legal issues before the court, the defendant continues interrupting and adding new accusations. Eventually, the judge warns her that if she does not stop talking over him, he will mute her microphone. The most dramatic moment comes when the judge says, "I certainly can, and I can make you shut up. Watch, here it goes." The defendant responds by threatening to take the matter all the way to the Supreme Court. This exchange highlights the challenge judges face when trying to maintain order in a courtroom while ensuring every defendant has an opportunity to be heard. Whether you agree with the judge or the defendant, it is certainly a courtroom moment that viewers won't forget. What do you think? Did the judge handle the situation fairly, or should he have responded differently? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.